Hello everyone, this is my aircraft collection. Most of the models are 1 to 500 scale or 1 to 400 scale, mostly Herpa. Started off with this little guy here, and then these ones followed. Right. Then bought these Russians, Ilyushin 76s, which are quite hard to get, not as easy to find. Tupolev 154, the Balkan holidays. Then moved on to hunting these little guys, 747s. And then of course I had to get the 787 Dreamliner and the A380. And of course the Russian Antonov 225 Mriya. Right. Now just a piece of advice: when you buy your models, make sure to check whether they're not damaged, because I just bought a slightly damaged one. See? No paint chip there, paint chip there. Now there's nothing I can do. Couldn't send it back because I love the model too much. And yeah, make sure you check so you don't have problems. More 747s, small C-130, 727s, 757s, another 727. Right, now this little guy is 1 to 500 scaled, and this one is 1 to 400, so you can see the size difference. 400, 400, 500. Right. And another thing, found this model, which is supposed to be an A340 in 1 to 500 scale, but if I compare it to another A340, you'll see there's quite a difference in fuselage length and wingspan. So yeah. Right. Citybird MD-11, and this little guy here, which I'm even afraid to take out of the box. Right. This is another Herpa product, 1 to 200 scale MiG-21. I only started buying them a year ago, so I think I've done well. Before these, I used to buy 1 to 200 or 1 to 250 scale snap fit kits, but they take quite a lot of space, so this is a very good choice. I mean, it's a better scale, quite a lot of detail, even though if you take this 747 here, let's flip it on its back, right, and we compare it. This is a Herpa product, and if we compare it to a In-Flight 500 product, you'll see there's a slight difference in the quality of the landing gear. This is the In-Flight 500, and that's the Herpa. Yeah, it basically depends on the model, I'm sure. Luftwaffe A310 Interflug. I got this one damaged. See, that's why I told you to check your models, because I bought this, there was no mention of a damage, and then I found this, which is a pretty obvious damage. I mean, it was cracked, then stick back together. I did send a message to the seller. She said she didn't know. Sorry. and she gave me a refund, but I ended up with the model, so yeah, I guess it's still good. What else? Right, we have a couple of 1 to 400 scale Boeing 707, A340, another A340. You gotta love the Japanese airlines, they always come up with these very nice paint schemes. The Air France 707, another Japanese 747. Well, this is an interesting airplane because they chose to make it with a double paint scheme. You have the Continental Airlines on this side, but you have Alitalia on the other side, so yeah, you'll find these. I've seen some other mixes as well. The Southwest paint schemes are also nice. You have 3 of them here. I've seen others, so I'm gonna have to hunt for those as well. Now with Herpa you can also build your own airport. So after buying all these models, I thought I'll give it a go. So I started buying towing tractors, then gangways, terminals, other airport like airport hangars, more buildings, and it looks quite nice once you put everything on a big table and you set everything up. It looks nice. A couple of trucks. Down here we should have, yeah, some railway tracks, more of these, and then very small people. You'll definitely need a magnifying glass to play with these guys because they're so incredibly small. Well, at least they scaled them down properly. Yeah, that's I mean, compared to an airplane, yeah, they're pretty small. Very, very small. So, yeah. Again, 757, 747, that's a very nice DC-8. Saudi Arabian cargo, MD-11. Now again with this one, I didn't check, and when I got it out of the box, the main landing gear was still in the box, so but it's an easy fix, so I didn't complain about it. It's just some glue and it looks like new. And then thought I might try the 1 to 200 scale from Inflight 200, and now this is a real beauty. I mean, the detail on it